Good day to all of you. Tinkesh Kaushik is a triple amputee and a fitness trainer to other amputees. Let us know about his struggle in his life. He belongs to Jhajjar district in Haryana. Tinkesh Kaushik was an energetic and a naughty 9-year-old boy in 2002 who used to love spending time outdoors, but then tragedy struck when he lost both of his legs and one arm. This accident took place when he was flying a kite on the terrace and his kite got stuck in an electrical wire. Unaware of the danger, he attempted to untangle his kite from the wire. To do this, he climbed a wooden ladder, accidentally touching a wire with 11,000 volts of electricity flowing into it. He was barefooted, and unfortunately, his left arm caught fire as soon as he touched the wire. Somehow, his father and some neighbors managed to pull him free. When his parents took him to hospital, the doctors completely refused to treat him. They thought that he had a zero chances of survival, and luckily his parents knew some people who helped him get admitted in the hospital. He was unconscious for 3 days, and when woke up, he had already lost his arm as it was severely burned. The doctor said nothing could be done about it. Despite their attempts, they could not save his legs. He spent 3 months in hospital and next 3 months in a rehab center, after which he could walk with the help of prosthetic legs. He resumed his education 2 years after this tragedy and he completed his graduation in commerce. He became lonely and depressed. He was confined to his house and had no friends to talk. He was getting fat due to lack of activity. It was very frustrating. He knew something had to be done and slowly faced this. One day he just got up and he decided that nothing could stop him from getting fit and living a healthy life. He started going to gym. He didn't face any difficulty in the gym. He would also run and go cycling very often. Now he is addicted to fitness and he wants to stay fit for all his life. He is working hard every day to get fitter and healthier. She works as a fitness coach and as a mentor to patients who undergo amputation. At the Sanchetti Hospital in Pune, he motivates amputees through counseling and training. He told them that the most important thing is to be mentally strong. They have to believe that they can overcome this obstacle. 26-year-old Tinkesh Kaushik loves to bungee jump. He is said to be featured in the Lemka Book of Record for jumping the Canyon swing in Kathmandu, the highest swing site in the world. In 2018, he participated in marathon in 2017. Tinkesh Kaushik motivates the people that it is mindset that determines how fast and effectively one can overcome obstacles. Refuse to be unhappy, take charge of your lives. He said, if I can do it, why cannot you? We all are inspired by his life and struggle. We wish him bright future. May God bless him success in his life. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.